I spent $307. I did not mean to do that. What's up, you guys? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Demaya. I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and vlogging type of content. So if that's the content that you like, you definitely made it to the right channel. As you guys can see by the title, today we're going to be doing a Skims try-on haul, and I got the new cotton collection and a few other things that I want to show you guys. So we're just gonna get straight into it. By the way, I got a small in every single item. Hopefully it fits, because I read the measurements and a small should be fine. For references, I wear a size 36D, a bra size, and like my bottom size is usually like a small medium. So, and I weigh 135 pounds. My arms are pretty, like, they're average, they're not too small, and I do got a little stomach fat. So this is just all a reference if you guys want to buy. I ain't the smallest person in the world, but I ain't like too chubby, I guess. But yeah, we're just gonna see how this stuff fits, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to try Skims for a really long time, and I kind of spent a lot of money. I didn't mean to spend this much money, but Kim, you're expensive, girl, you're expensive. So if you guys don't know, this is what the Skims packaging looks like. It just comes in this brown box. It says Skims right here, and then your stuff is in this little thingy thing right here. I haven't opened up anything yet. Like, I took a sneak peek, but I didn't really open up anything. I didn't try anything on, so I literally still have like the little sticker that seals it up on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that off. I'm gonna read to you guys everything that I got, and then I'm gonna try on in that order, I guess. Okay, so I got the Outdoor Basics. Oh, is that what I got? Oh no, I didn't get the cotton. Wait, did I get the cotton collection? I got the Outdoor Basics collection. That's what I got. And then I got a couple things from the cotton collection that I've been wanting to try. So I got the Outdoor Basics biker shorts, the Outdoor Basics crew neck top, the Outdoor Basics wide neck bralette, the cotton rib leggings, the Outdoor Basics biker shorts in a different color. So I got two of those. I got the cotton jersey t-shirt in black. I got the Outdoor Basics t-shirt, the Outdoor Basics leggings. So I got, in the total, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 items, and I spent $307. I did not mean to do that, but we're just gonna start. So this is how it comes in this little Skims plastic packaging, and the first thing I have here is this t-shirt, and automatically, like, this is extremely stretchy. As I said, I got everything in a size small. This is so stretchy, like look how much this is stretching. I don't want to stretch it out too much, and I like how it's kind of like shaped on the side. If you guys can see, it has like a shape to it. So I'm just gonna try this on now. So you guys, this is what the shirt looks like on me, and it fits very snug. So I suggest that if you wear a size, if you really want this to fit snug, definitely size down, but there's still room for stretch. Like, I really, and the material is so freaking soft. Like, this is a good, like, basic tee. Like, I see why she charges so much, because it's very high quality. It is extremely high quality, and I feel like it gives you shape as well. And by the way, you guys, I do not have on a bra with this, and like it's fitting like snug, very snug. This is what the back looks like. This is the cotton t-shirt in the color Suit. It's just a black tee. I really like how this fits. The material is so freaking good, so good. I believe I got the bottoms to match this, so I'm gonna look for the bottoms. So these are the cotton rib leggings, and again, these are super stretchy. I'm gonna try these on now as well. These are what the bottoms look like, and like I said, I got everything in a size small. These bottoms go all the way to the ankle. They fit super snug, and they're very comfortable. I really like this. Like, I actually really like this. This is a good, like, go to run errands, whatever type of outfit. If you can even dress this up if you want, like, honestly. And it's just a cute black set. Like, you could never go wrong with black. I love with it. Kim, you knew what you was doing, sis. I really needed some new, like, sets because I'm tired of putting outfits together, honestly. I just need something that I can get up and just leave the house and not worry about wearing an outfit or anything. So this is the crew neck top, and I have on the biker shorts that go with it. Of course, I got this in a size small as well. Off rip, I realized that the Outdoor Basics collection is not as stretchy as the cotton collection that I just tried on for you guys. But it still fits really, really well. Like, it has stretch, but it's not as stretchy as the other collection. Shorts go all the way up to here. Very high-waisted, extremely high-waisted. They make the bootay look nice. And yeah, I really like the color. It's like a grayish, a green color. I'm not sure if it's picking up that way on camera, but it's like a grayish green. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Very cute. Fits really, really well. And yeah, I really like this. I think I'm gonna wear this a lot, actually. Yeah, so this is the bralette, and it comes with the matching, well, it doesn't come with it, but you have to buy it separate. The matching biker shorts, and I believe the shade is Pacific. I think that's the shade color, and it's just a gray color. And this is the, like, sports bra, I guess. I was a little nervous when I looked at the packaging, when I took it out the packaging and I looked at how small it was. I was like, this is not going to fit me, especially because of this part right here. But this is very, very stretchy. Scared about this because I thought, like, it was going to show, like, under boob, and it wasn't going to be, like, snug enough. But this is super snug. Like, this is almost like a sports bra, I guess. And this is basically the same collection as what I just had on, the outdoor collection. Of course, I got this in a size small. Everything I got is in a size small. This is how it's fitting me. So this is what the full set looks like together. Super, super cute. I love this a lot. I really like this. Really. And gray is really a color that you could just mix and match with anything. So if you don't want to wear the top, you don't have to wear the top. If you don't want to wear the bottom, you don't have to wear the bottom. Which is why I got most of these items, because they're basics. Obviously, there's stuff that you can wear with anything. I really like this. Kim, you know what you was doing, girl. You know what you was doing. You know what you was doing. All I want now is those freaking foam runners that I cannot find anywhere that I'm not paying $600 for. So these last two items are probably my favorite out of everything that I got. And I think it's because of the color. Like, do y'all see the color of this shirt? Don't mind this right here. I kind of got makeup on my shirt and I had to wipe it out. But the color is everything. Like, this is the perfect nude shirt. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It fits really good. This is part of the outdoor collection also. And I have the bottoms on. The bottoms are not like the cotton collection bottoms. These leggings also are kind of high-waisted. As you can see, they don't have any ribbed material on it. It's literally just soft. Her sizing chart is pretty accurate as well, so I would definitely follow that if you don't know what size to get. So you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more hauls or any videos like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know any more video suggestions that you guys have for me. And yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And the D1k giveaway is still going on. Make sure you comment down below hashtag D1k, and the winner will be winning a $150 Visa gift card. So make sure y'all go into the giveaway. And yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching.